Indete ko yali bageri gamanya abantu bane bamazimbo wode imenya ali bali mazabana kibara kikubwati kibara iki niko kikokoru na kera nimanye kanete kuru mu cyumba itumu gakongeri umugaka osire tokoro ku Dr. Israel Manduku umugaka muindi ukabira mu cyumbe nawe ngo umugaka macukera abo mu cyumbe ebara ya mazimba metembera masha ebara ni yako na kera ebara ya mazimba bonyakoni bantore mugonga ebara ni yako na kera nawe ebara ya mazimba hotel ya Buga ebara ya Ramasha Junction Sukuta Ramasha Ekona all the way to Nyamasibi baka Nyantrago ebara ya Masimba bonyakoni ibacho asa maskanya manene. Let us not mislead abantu baito etneji bara chiko corona kera nande nimanye kanete ekology asarekire abana inchi baito bamanye na jibare ekyo ingoga neiri koboriwo as a county government ndubwata jibara cyokora nabantu bane mbamanye tebiye mono tokura uno mugabana rati nkokora to jibara chinyinke mono ekinde chiendere taboniga nekinde njiche chikoro so monto ndubwenzi da maso koliri komisiliri abana inchi buna chipara ekina mention ndina ne county government yakora kiro muntu imukyo musaraboye ti abantu bayitokorera abarayi bayitokorera abantu bayitegasi because that is why they have given us an opportunity and the people and God will judge us ekero turazi nyugo koregasi iri abana inchi batoyira ekesi kyarete kotini amangana ya county government yabwate issue na kibere cyakoro kuchia fuel levy about 10 billion chigoto mtu counties. Let not anybody mislead the people na jibeze dine jiko kwa jibari jina mentioned. That money has been there to counties. It's only that the national government wanted to take that money. Let everybody take their full responsibility and let us serve our people in accordance to the 2010 constitution without any iniquity.